Live from KTV in Reno, you're watching 2 News at 6:30.
Governor Sisolak canceled this evening's press conference after possibly being exposed to coronavirus. What we've learned tonight on 2 News at 6:30. Now, the governor canceled the press conference. It was scheduled for 5:30 this evening because his office says he visited a business last week where one of the employees tested positive for coronavirus. We have learned that that employee and the governor were not there at the same time, but still, in an abundance of caution, the governor will be tested, we've learned, tomorrow. I'm Kristen Remington.
And I'm Ryan Canaday. Thanks for being with us tonight. So far, though, Kristen, it's not clear when the governor's office will deliver a video update, as they've told us. We will be bringing it to our viewers as soon as that becomes available. We do not have that yet. Last week, the governor's office said that moving on to phase 2 would depend on continuing positive trends for the state through the holiday weekend. Tonight, we have Paul Nelson joining us now live from the governor's mansion in Carson City. Paul, what are you hearing about what we can expect from this video?
Well, a lot of people are anxious to find out what some of the new guidelines will be for gaming, Ryan. As you know, Governor Sisolak has sent June 4th as a tentative date for those casino resorts to reopen. The Gaming Control Board did meet this morning, and they discussed what that might look like.
From everything I can see, it seems we've done an amazing job in Nevada. And we do have the added responsibility here of ensuring not only our citizens are safe, but also the visitors are safe.
The Gaming Control Board wants to have its plan in place by tomorrow. Gaming properties have to submit their reopening plans to the board 7 days before reopening. Today's meeting included health officials. It's possible that we could see some social distancing measures put in place in casinos. Some recommendations include each casino to require masks and training for employees. They could also provide masks to the guests, who may also have to get a temperature screening at check-in.
If it's above that 100.4, be able to move the guest into an area to be able to cool down, take some time to make sure that we're getting an accurate temperature, and then retake that within 15 minutes.
And if that temperature is still too high, then that guest would go into a separate room where they could get even more screening from a medical professional. Now, as of today, less than 6% of total COVID-19 tests in Nevada have been positive. That's well below the 10% that the World Health Organization recommends for reopening. We hope to learn a whole lot more once Governor Sisolak releases that pre-recorded video. Covering the story live in Carson City, Paul Nelson, 2 News.